So you're on the free version of Grok and you try to use it to generate videos, and then boom, you're hit by the paywall where you either go for Super Grok Lite at 10 bucks a month for a few videos, or you can sign up for the Super Grok at 30 bucks a month. To many of you, I understand it may seem a lot, especially if you're starting out. So today I'm going to show you how to use Grok for free legitimately. And so without further ado, let's dive right into it, show you how to do that.
When hunger calls, you don't wait, you answer. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, pure satisfaction in every crunch.
And I've got something really interesting for all of you, which is a new tutorial where I'm going to show you how to generate up to 200 images per day for free using Grok directly. I'm also going to share with you a trick that allows you to generate multiple angles of your image. That's included as part of my next tutorial that'll be released next week. So if you're interested in watching it, let me know in the comments. Just comment the word free images and I'll be sure to notify you when it's released. Now, the website that we're going to be using today is called GeminiGen.ai. I'll leave a link to it in the description below and in the comments. Once you sign up with your Gmail account, this is what the dashboard looks like. And the cool thing about that is that not only does it have Grok as an AI model, you'll also get access to other models like Veo, Sora, Seedance, even Meta AI, and coming soon, Kling AI. So this feels like an incredible platform that allows you to use multiple AI models in one place instead of switching between different tools to create a single project seamlessly with ease. And by the way, the video ad that you just watched was created entirely on this platform using Grok AI. I only just needed CapCut to make a few edits to make my ad stand out and look professional. To get started, you're just going to scroll a little bit down and then make sure that you select Grok AI. You can see right next to it, it says free. And then below that is a few options that we have to go through in order to create our project. So first of all, under the model, it says Grok 3 right next to it, the icon that says free. And then here is where we can upload our image. If we want to use image to video, then we can simply just select that button right here. And then a pop-up menu will show you how to upload your file, either by dropping it or select file just like so. You just double click on the image to upload it. Now my image is uploaded. Next, we're going to keep the generation mode as is, set to custom. And next up is the prompt text box where we could just paste our prompt. And then below that is going to be the orientation, which is the aspect ratio. Make sure that you choose 16:9 if you're creating landscape videos. You also have other options depending on what you're creating and which platform it will be posted on. Next is the resolution. Though you have option to go for the 480p or the 720, I recommend that you go for the higher resolution. And then next up is the duration. It says 6 seconds and 10 seconds. Now, because you're on the free version, make sure that you're only selecting the 6 seconds, because if you try and go for the 10 seconds, the video is not going to be rendered and you're going to lose one of your trials per day. Now, you'll notice here right next to the generate with Grok button that it says in green, this generation will cost 0 credits. So as soon as you sign up, you'll get 40 credits that you can use for free. And then this generation does not cost anything. When you hit the generate button, the video is going to take a few seconds, usually take about 30 seconds or up to a minute. It's going to show up on the right side here. Now, if for any reason there's a delay or the page is not updated, you can simply just click on the history that's on the top of the page right here. And this is where you're going to see all your video clips that you've generated so far. But be sure to check out the warning here, because it says that the data that's older than 7 days will be automatically deleted. So make sure that you generate your video clips and download them instantly to your local drive. That way you don't lose your videos when they're generated. So when they're deleted, you don't have to worry about that. Now, we all know about the extension feature that was just released recently in Grok. This also is available on the platform. You can simply just click on the extend video button right here. But obviously it would ask you to go to your video history in order to grab one of the videos that you created so that you can extend it and then go on from there. So let's say I select that video right here, select the video. And then what's going to happen is that it's going to say generate next video segment. I click on I got it right here. And now I'm ready to extend the video up to 12 seconds. So you can see here the last frame of my previous video is ready for me to extend it. I have Grok 3 still selected under the model. The generation mode is the same. We're just going to update the prompt right here. Next is going to be the orientation. So it's going to be the same, obviously, because we already have an existing frame to use. And then we choose the resolution as the highest one, which is 720. The duration is also going to be 6 seconds. And then we simply click on generate with Grok. And then we're going to have our video ready in a matter of seconds. Again, usually takes up to a minute. If longer, 2 minutes tops. It will show up on the right side here. And if there's any delay, like I told you before, you just click on the history button at the top of the page where you're going to find all your videos that you've been creating. But make sure you download them instantly so that you have a backup before they're automatically deleted. The good news is that I'm going to share this project with you. So the video ad you watched earlier in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing the images via my Google Drive. So this is the link. You just click on the link to download all the images. And below that is going to be the motion prompts that I've been using. So give it a try and test it out for yourself and see the results. There is one claim that I'd like to make for those who are going to stick to the free version is that your limit is 5 videos per day, as shown on the screenshot that the team is limiting the free version to only 5 video clips per day, and they're looking into increasing it to 20, but they haven't said when they're going to do that. And of course, if you become a subscriber, then you will have access to generating unlimited, which they say up to 300 videos per day. So you can see here, the cool thing about the platform is that it doesn't just include Grok, but you also have access to other models. So if you click on the special offer unlimited generation video button right here, this will show you their plans. They have Veo Max, they have Grok Max, so you can pay 15 bucks a month and you'll have unlimited generations. That means up to 300 video clips per day, which is a lot. And then you can see here the rest of the price plan. So feel free to check it out and try it out for yourself. From my perspective, I think this is worth subscribing than using Grok directly, because you can either sign up for their Super Grok Lite, which only gives you a few videos at 10 bucks a month, or you can go for 30 bucks, which is also going to give you less number of videos per day. So I would encourage you to try out the 15 bucks plan per month because it's much cheaper and have fun creating.